Meaning of ill-bred.
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 Ill-bred. The term ill-bred is used to describe a person or animal that is not well-mannered, poorly behaved, or lacking in proper social etiquette. It can refer to someone who is rude, impolite, or uncultured, and who has not been taught proper manners or values. This can lead to negative perceptions from other people who may view the ill-bred individual as unsophisticated, uncivilized, or even offensive. Ultimately, being ill-bred can result in social isolation or exclusion from certain groups or opportunities, as it is important to be able to interact with others in a respectful and appropriate manner.